this has always been a very, very important agenda for me for many years now. Grateful to the people of 16 East who have sent me back to this, to the assembly where we can once again ensure that protection of rights of women and children is our top priority. We need to look at rehabilitation facilities for women. Now also children have become easy victims to these kinds of vices. I think we will also look at the improvement of facilities for women in conflict, better facilities for women in situations of domestic violence. We must make sure that these homes are a little more available for people across the state in general. And I hope that we will be able to do all of this in the interest not just of the women of the state, but also because safety has become a big concern in the state of Meghalaya for some time now. We must make sure that every woman feels safe as they walk the streets. See, very sad, but nevertheless, 3 has been more or less a number that has been there for some time. We had 4, then now 3 again. So, looking forward to working with these ladies in the assembly. I think we should not allow party politics to divide our common interests and goal to uplift, uphold women in general in the state of Meghalaya. The assignment that I will receive, I'm yet to be privy to the assignment that has been assigned for me, tasked for me. So we'll see how that happens and then we'll take it from there.
Ma'am, what do you have to say this time?